We've taken our country and gave it away, and no plan for action or the hell we pay. If our forefathers came back and saw us this way, I know what they'd tell us. They'd tell us to pray. We've lost sight of heaven, we're living in sin. Election aside, we're not gonna win. We've taken what's holy and made it a sin. The ice we're skating on is mighty thin. A nation of Christians afraid to stand and speak. Whatever happened to the brave and the free? Why can't my kid pray at football games? If we see angels, why are we insane? Why is it a crime to speak God's name? Why did we trade blessings in return for rain? We fight in foreign countries in the name of the free, claiming the win, but I see tragedy. Veterans return and can't pay their fees. Millions of people afraid to get on their knees. Why can't my kid pray at football games? If we see angels, why are we insane? Why is it a crime to speak God's name? Why did we trade blessings in return for rain?
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Why did we trade blessings in return for rain? Lord,